Hello everyone, this is Tom from SSW. Today we're going to do a spring review for the SSW TimePro for spring 3 to 8. And also we'll do a spring retro and for spring forecast for the spring 3 to 9. I'm here with JK here. We're trying to do a V2 for this spring review recording. Okay, let's go through the spring review email. First, for Spring Go, we didn't finish the R&D job that Sam M has brought into the sprint. And for this sprint, we fixed a lot of bugs because of the Angular version update about the calendar update. So it is very good. I'm here. We have a 1 week sprint, and the attendees are here. For the timesheet date, we have me working for like 5 days for the sprint, and Sam has worked for 3 days. Yes, because he has gone to client work for 2 days. Also, the date. Yeah. For the sprint backlog, we have done several PBIs. Sam has completed the security TXT, and I'll do some styling fixing. Yes, and we're trying to focus on R&D once and Sam's back. So we build this one. Also, here is the suggested timesheet usage. We still have it around 80%. We have 1% up from the last week. And Alan told us we should I should work with JK to investigate about the adoption rate. And also for the automatic timesheet, and we should do the GitHub integration that will probably notable increase the uptake. Okay, then to the spring burn down. We still have some spare capacity here. And for the DevOps, we've done one deployment for the last sprint. I think Sam did it. So we just basically carry out a lot of styling fixing. For the code coverage part and the testing part, nothing much has changed from the last sprint. Still very much covered. And the testing. For the pipeline health, it's nothing much changed here. The duration is very healthy. Pass rate. So for the application health overview part, there's something interesting happened. We spotted one issue last week. So let's hand it over to JK and he will do the explanation. Yeah.
Yeah, we saw these spikes happening and we were worried that it might be a security issue. What we found is that there is an issue on Microsoft in terms of CRM syncing. And what we're actually seeing is a side effect of CRM entities being modified by Microsoft and TimePro saying, hey, this entity doesn't exist because it's a really old entity that we no longer use in TimePro. So these are the spikes, basically Microsoft trying to modify things that don't exist in TimePro through CRM. So there's nothing that we can do on TimePro. Microsoft is already working on fixing this.
Oh, thank you, JK. Thank you for the investigation about this issue. Okay, and so let's come to the Epic part. Nothing much has progressed, but one good news, we have add-on approved on this SSW China tenants Epic, and we're trying to create PBIs for this one and do some spikes and investigation about it. So yeah, we're making progress. So for the IND, we didn't do a lot of experimental work. For the AI, it's still the same. A lot of Yakshay used. Yeah, I'm starting to pick up the cloud, and it is very useful. It's very impressive. So for the CoPy stats, almost me do all the talking, and Adam has some question here. For the main action point, I think I should learn the deployment process and the Chinese tenant approved, also the YouTube channel link. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
I believe most of the actions were already tackled from the
yeah,
previous meeting. Already shown Tom how to deploy.
yeah, because of the V2. So for Yakshiver, we got a lot of Yakshiver, basically from Tiago and Jen. So yeah, basically all the styling issues and small bug fix. So for the retro, for what went well, Sam said because we quickly update the TimePro security, we add the security.txt based on Chris demand. And also for me, this is my first time hosted a sprint review meeting. But it's a V2, but also I learned a lot from it. So thank you for JK and Sam and Adam for the feedbacks. And so for the ones that didn't go well, for the last sprint, we didn't get approval, but we get it this sprint. So it's very cool. Okay, let's jump into the sprint forecast. For this sprint, we'll mainly have the Chinese talent here. So well, yeah, try to do it. So we put the spike here. We try to investigate how much effort would it take to migrate our data. And also all this styling, all this bug fix aside from this big goal. I think that we would have a very efficient sprint this week because we have our goal, and which is very clear, and we should have all the people, yeah, yeah, trying to do this one.
Yeah, and I
Yeah,
imagine that SSW channel will be very happy with this.
yeah, Clara definitely will be very happy with this one. Okay, and here is the sprint review meeting, and I'm Tom from SSW. I'm going to thank you for everyone for watching, and I'm going to upload this video to the SSW TimePro YouTube channel here, so you guys can watch it from here. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for attending. Goodbye. See you guys next time.